here we are going to learn about neutralization reactions. So, consider three different test tubes. And in the first test tube, we have taken NaOH, sodium hydroxide, which is a base. And in the next test tube, we have used an artificial indicator, that is phenolphthalein. And in the third one, as you can see, there is hydrochloric acid. As the name suggests, it is an acid itself. So, when we have learned in the previous class that when phenolphthalein is added to a basic substance, the colorless phenolphthalein will give a pink color. It imparts pink color in a basic solution. So let's see what is going to happen. I am adding this phenolphthalein into NaOH, sodium hydroxide, which is a base. Then what is happening? The sodium hydroxide's color has changed to pink color. Now, to this pink colored sodium hydroxide solution, I am adding HCl, hydrochloric acid. When hydrochloric acid is added to sodium hydroxide, which is a base, it becomes colorless. It is neutralization reaction simply. That is, when an acid and base react together, they both nullify each other's effects. And that is the reason why here the pink color of NaOH, which we received by adding phenolphthalein, has vanished while adding HCl. So, let me give you a very relatable example. Sometimes due to overeating or by not consuming proper food, we may have an indigestion problem or heartburn, etc. During such situations, what is happening is that in our stomach, hydrochloric acid is produced in order to make the digestion process easier. And to digest the food particles, hydrochloric acid is something that is very essential. When we are not eating this particular food at particular time, the hydrochloric acid, which is already prepared in our stomach to break down the food particles, remain there without doing anything. So that hydrochloric acid gives us a burning sensation in our stomach. So during such a situation, what we are doing is we are taking antacid tablets. Antacid tablets are bases. They contain weak alkali substituents. So when those antacid is consumed, that basic nature of antacid tablet neutralizes the action of hydrochloric acid in our stomach. As a result, the burning sensation will stop. This is what neutralization reaction is. So particularly saying here, sodium hydroxide when react with hydrochloric acid, that is, when a base react with acid, we get corresponding salt, that is, Na of NaOH and Cl of HCl combined together to form the salt NaCl, sodium chloride, along with H2O. Here, one H is remaining and here there is OH remaining. Both of them combine to form H2O. And this is what you mean by neutralization reaction.